What I'm sharing with you are 8 rules for shade selection. This is regardless of which shade guide you use. These rules remain the same. And why are these rules there? Because standardization is impossible. So we basically reduce the variables. So let's understand what are we supposed to do when we are selecting the correct shade. Number 1, please write down. Select the shade prior to tooth preparation, not after. This is again something that most people do wrong. After you've prepped the tooth, you go in and select the shade. Don't do that. Always select the shade prior to tooth preparation for 2 reasons. 1, when the patient is keeping the mouth open for too long, the tooth undergoes desiccation, it dries off. A dry tooth will always have a completely different value to it as compared to a moist tooth. And second, when we are staring at the tooth for long, our eyes fatigue and our ability to select the right shade goes completely off the window. Okay, so select the shade prior to tooth preparation. This is the first rule of shade selection. The second rule, keep the patient at your eye level, because this keeps your retinal sensitivity at its peak and it keeps the rods in focus and not the cones. So please don't stand and have the patient seated when you're selecting the shade. Try to be seated yourself and keep the patient at the same eye level so that the most sensitive portion of your retina is what is used for shade selection. Next, drapes that the patient is given should be of a neutral color. When I say a neutral color, the drape that is most recommended is either gray color or light blue color. Gray or light blue are the most ideal neutral colors. If you have a very jhatak drape there, it's going to influence your cones and desensitize them, because very bright colors fatigue the eye far more frequently. That's why often people say that if you're looking at sober colors, you can see them for a longer period of time. But if it's a very bright color, it hurts the eye. Aankhon ko chubh raha hai ye color. Okay, so work with neutral colors. Lipstick should always be removed. So a lot of patients who walk into my practice love to flaunt lipsticks. A few of them even say this is non-transfer lipstick, sir, it will not go on your gloves. And I was like, the problem is not my glove. The problem is I can't understand the shade of the tooth. So my associate or my assistant will immediately give a paper napkin and the patient goes, okay, no, it's not completely out. Okay, another paper napkin. Make sure it's out completely. As a matter of fact, you can even educate your patient. Please, next time, ma'am, when you come for tooth preparation, please don't apply such a bright lipstick. It will be a favor on mankind. No, don't say that. It's just that you educate him, saying it's better if you don't. When you're leaving from here, feel free to apply the darkest, the brightest, the most attractive shade human mind can find. Okay, next. Chair light should be switched off. Always remember this. Your chair light, usually it's a tungsten or it's an LED. It's giving you either a yellow light or a very bright white light. That is not a good light for shade selection. So you want to keep that light off. As a matter of fact, even in your practice, the lights that you put up, there are lights that are called color corrected lights. Check out what past participants have had to say about the Crown and Bridge Masterclass, my friend. Over 300 dentists have rated this course a full 5 stars. मतलब कुछ तो सही होगा ना इस कोर्स में. कई बार लोग सोचते हैं क्राउन एंड ब्रिज में क्या रह गया, क्या रखा है यार, ऐसा क्या करना है, क्या सीखना है, सब तो आता है, इतने साल से कर रहे हैं. मेरे दोस्त, जब करोगे ना तब जानोगे कि ओ माय गॉड, काश ये कोर्स पहले मिला होता. इफ यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग with food lodgement issues in your prosthesis, ceramic fracture, sensitivity, shade matching problems, open margins, tight contacts, वगैरह, then you will find all your answers here. सच कहता हूँ, डेंटिस्ट्री में इतना नहीं सीखा होगा जितना इस कोर्स में तुम सीखोगे. तो पहले रजिस्टर करो, फिर विश्वास करो. If you want, please go ahead and use those in your work chambers because they make shade selection that much better. Okay, next, place the tab edge to edge. Never hold the shade tab ahead of the tooth or behind the tooth. Okay, if you hold the shade tab ahead of the tooth, the reflection of the shade tab or the shadow of the shade tab falls on the tooth. If you hold the shade tab behind, the shadow of the tooth falls on the shade tab. Okay, so always perfectly edge to edge. Next, select the closest shade within 5 to 7 seconds. Please remember this as a absolute rule. Please don't keep staring. The longer you stare, the more the possibility that your shade selection will be wrong. Only 5 to 7 seconds. And last but not the least, with respect to rules, it helps to ask your assistant or your associate to please be like, okay, I think this is the best shade. According to you, is this the best one? So take help, especially if you have color blindness. Small things. Remember, the devil lies in the details.